As the project progresses, you receive and place commitments, actual cost, and actual progress in the project. The commitments comes from the contract register, where all the contract commitments are linked to a WebS code at the lowest level, which is the work package. You can learn more about how you handle contracts in Omega 365 in a separate video. What is central here for actual costs is that the costs that have already incurred, regardless of whether they are invoiced or not, this is what you want to report. So for example, in a project with 500 hours, the actual cost will be 500 hours times the rate you have, even if it has been invoiced or not. If you would have waited for the invoice, which may take days or weeks, you would have missed valuable information related to cost management and project management in general. Therefore, it is very important that you get this data in and report the actual costs. When it comes to progress, this is also reported on work package level. You can choose to get it directly from the activity plan in Omega 365, or it can come from external source, for example from the contractor's report, to base the information on and add it manually. And as mentioned, what is central here is that both commitments, actual costs, and actual progress are reported at a work package level of the WebS structure. It can consist of many details, but everything are linked to a WebS in the work package. The commitments are added into the contract register, and it can be further updated to WebS cost and progress here under update values. It will then take what is committed in the contract register up to the cutoff date. Note that it is the issue date from the contract elements that it counts here. You can choose to register the actual cost directly into the solution here, based on what you have reported in. It can also come from the accounting system if the actual costs are already in place. You can differ between costs that are measurable on progress and not. For example, if you register actual cost on project management, where time and cost corresponds to 500,000, then the earned value will be equal to the actual cost. This is because project management are set to not being measurable on progress. Then the earned value is equal to actual cost. If we look at a detailed design and the register actual cost to 1.2 million, we can see that the earned value doesn't change. This is because the earned value is based on the progress. So if we in this case report the progress to 90% complete, the earned value will now change. Both actual cost and progress can be reported by the contractor by using the contractor cost reporting app. So if the contractor have reported their actual cost and progress using this app, you can use the function for update values from contractor reporting, available under update values. You still have the possibility to adjust these values if the values from the contractor are not considered as correct. The progress can be manually registered based on what is reported in by numbers, or it can be based on the activity plans in Omega 365. You can also set up integration against other systems to collect data. Now we have the three key numbers into WebS cost and progress, which was commitments, actual cost, and actual progress.